if you're struggling to get those nice melodies, I would say to invest in some MIDI packs. MIDI packs have helped me massively. I've had like 12 piano lessons, and it turns out I'm really bad at piano, so it's something that didn't really help me too much. But when I drag in a MIDI file, like you see this track, Harrison gave me the basis of this melody, so everything else just boom, it happened. You know, melodies can take me 2-3 hours sometimes. The structure of the track, it's just, you get used to doing it so much. So if you can drag a melody in from a MIDI pack, royalty free, it might turn out to be, whoa, this is amazing, I want to make this, I want to do that, and then everything just flows. And from there you can also learn which notes work well together. You know, the D and the B, for example. Next time I make a track, I'm going to think, oh, these are going to sound nice together.
That is a really good answer. So we did an episode with Mossy Man. Yeah. He basically said the same thing. He's like, my inspiration is directly tied to the melody, right? Because at the end of the day, the melody is the soul of the song. It is. There's no way around it. And so if you take away that soul, you're taking a huge part of the creativity away. And I love that you said, go get some MIDI packs, man. Dude, there's so many resources now. Dude, if you don't want to have the time to go learn about music theory, and you don't want to learn like what's the do I need to go to this note or that note? Well, you can just go grab a MIDI pack, drag it in. You can see the things that work, right? You can see the melodies that work. That you're like, oh, what is this melody? This really likes. Oh, they're going from this note to this note. And you know, you're kind of like melody hacking at that point.
Exactly. It's a cheat code, I think.
It's a cheat code. I love it, dude. I think that's such a fantastic little hack. What's up, DAW Nation? I hope you enjoyed this quick tip video from our Olly James in the DAW episode, which, by the way, if you want to check that out, you can go check out the full episode on our YouTube channel. You can also check out the full episode on our podcast if you want to listen to it over there. That's great as well. Also, if you want to keep learning from huge music producers that are actually making it in the industry, that are actually producing songs that are getting results, then go ahead and make sure to click the little subscribe button as well as the notification bell, as well as, you know, you can hit the like button and leave a comment if you're feeling like an overachiever. We would love to hear from you. We'd love to know your thoughts. So DAW Nation, with that being said, make sure you check back here frequently, like every single day, because we're putting out an enormous amount of content all the time, and every single time you watch one of these pieces of content, it is always going to give you something of value to help you on your music production journey. So make sure to subscribe, follow, comment, like, whatever is appropriate, wherever you're at. We'd love to hear from you. And with that being said, we'll see you on our next quick tip video.